The Youth and Community Work course at Wrexham Glyndŵr University is considered the home of youth work in Wales. I've been teaching youth work here for over 44 years and the team of lecturers here are all professionally qualified youth workers, and we bring that experience to the teaching. So you don't only get the degree, you also get a JNC Professional Youth Work qualification, which allows you to register with the Education Workforce Council here in Wales and proves that you could be a professional youth worker across the UK and internationally as well.
Our values and principles as youth and community workers, as practitioners, are embedded in everything we do. Teaching and learning is an equal partnership between us and our students, and through that people have a different approach to understanding how they can learn. Their learning is tailored to them. They understand that they can learn and that they can achieve on the programme.
We offer a lot of opportunities to students. They have opportunity to complete placements and have to complete 800 hours throughout their time on the programme, and that gives them a lot of experience working directly face to face with young people.
The thing that I enjoy the most about my course is just everything about what youth work values stand for, everything about social justice. I just love being able to know that I am on this course because I want to make a difference to young people.
The things I enjoy most about my course is the creativity. There's so many opportunities to work together, to develop group activities that we get to lead for each other and present during the classroom, and it's just useful because they're things that you could take out into practice with you.
I enjoy using community work because I feel like I can make a difference for young people with my work, and that's like amazing, you know, it's having a meaningful profession.
I think our course is special because we have relatively small class sizes, which means that everybody has one-to-one contact time with the tutors. We teach in a way that is high flex. That means that you can join us in the classroom or you can join us live at home through Microsoft Teams and join the class live and engage in the group activities there. So it means that you don't have to be local to study with us here at Wrexham Glyndŵr University. We welcome students from across the UK and internationally.
What makes our course special is that we have a team of staff that have between us around about 48 years worth of experience. So every member of the team has worked as a youth worker at some point or another, and they bring that professional practice into the lessons and into the teaching. And I think that's really useful, really unique.
At level 5, so that's your second year of the 3-year programme, you have the opportunity to study abroad and have a placement abroad, and that's been successful in the past. So we've had successful placements in Donegal, and we've had students in the past go to Denmark, we've got links in Finland, we've got links in Sweden, and at level 5, before this opportunity, students actually study a module International Youth Work that supports them in being able to be internationally competent should they take up the opportunity to work abroad for that semester.
I would recommend youth and community work at Glyndŵr University because people working in this university are always very inclusive and accepting, so everyone is accepted and there's no discrimination, and I found it very important.
I would recommend the Youth and Community degree here at Glyndŵr University because it is a professional course. There is opportunity for placement, so I feel like you are prepared to go out into practice once you do qualify. The staff have been brilliant. It's really creative. It's not, I don't feel like I'm just sat in a chair all day. I find that that's how I work best, by being able to get up and do things. So yes, I would recommend the course.
I would recommend the course because if you believe that being a critically reflective practitioner is important, if you believe that the values of youth work are important, if you believe that you can be a better person than you already are, then this course will help you. If you think that by doing this course you can go out of your way to improve yourself, and that's not just, you know, personally, that's professionally, that's learning wise, you know, you're happy to go out of your way, you know, go to the library, find the information you need, support yourself and your class as much as you would hope to get support from your lecturer, then this is the right course for you. So yeah, I would recommend it massively.